Hello and welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore, and sorry I had to take several weeks off, maybe 2 months off here from cooking just a bit. Had some of you might have known had a serious car accident down Interstate 77 on the way back home. The other person crossed center lane and ran head on into our car. So I had some good heavy bruising in my chest and made it difficult to move, talk, breathe, and all kinds of other stuff. But feeling so much better now. Glad to get things moving again. A few pictures of the car accident itself here, and I'll be posting some videos here real soon. Mine's a silver car. The blue car was the guy that was heading northbound. Again, came across the median, smashed right into us. Did everything we could, but luckily our car protected us quite well. So glad about that. All right, we'll see you real soon.